Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, December 11, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. Reverse H pattern, point of control, H pattern. H pattern, oscillator agreement. Reverse H Fibonacci, slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 run, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to play this bar by bar moving forward. Once the price gets back up into this false breach area, it'll probably settle there before it breaks the high of the day and continues to go up. So we're going to stick around and wait for that to happen. As long as the price stays in that 1/4, 1/3 area, maybe down to the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart, if it drops down there, it might borrow power off the rising 21 and it'll be enough energy to push this past the 578.74, which is the current high of the day at the moment.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move today, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in a guaranteed $1.50, and we're going to continue to manage this trade bar by bar. Running man is starting to struggle on this run, so if the price jumps up to the 529.35, we'll punch out. That'll put us at a $2.25 move on this trade.
Order filled.
And there's a $2.25 move on this trade today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.